Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by checking your display resolution in System Settings or on the monitor label. Find exact values such as 1920x1080, 2560x1440, or 1366x768 to guide selection. Identify the aspect ratio next, for example 16, 9 or 4, 3 to match image proportions. Note whether your screen uses landscape or portrait orientation for proper framing. If you need print equivalence, measure the screen diagonally in inches like 24 inches or 27 inches. Select an image that matches or exceeds your screen resolution to preserve detail. For a 1920x1080 display, consider 3840x2160 images for future flexibility. Choose images with the same aspect ratio to avoid automatic cropping or distortion on set. Always prefer higher pixel counts rather than upscaling smaller files, which causes blur. Check image DPI for quality. Screens commonly use 72 DPI. Open your operating system wallpaper settings to set the image and scaling option. Choose fill, fit, stretch, center, or tile based on how the image aligns with your screen. Crop the image to exact resolution values, such as 1920x1080, if you want precise pixel-to-pixel display. Preview the wallpaper and adjust positioning or zoom until key elements are visible on screen. If using multiple monitors, set each screen individually for consistent appearance across displays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.